Chapter 2. The Creation. And it came to pass, as the voice of Aryeh Asher Aryeh was still speaking, that Moses cast his eyes, and beheld the earth, yea, even all of the face of it, and there was not a part of it which he did not behold, discerning it by the breath. Yea, and he beheld also the inhabitants thereof, and there was not a soul which he beheld not, and he discerned them by the glory of Elohim. And their numbers were great, even as numberless as the sand upon the seashore. And he beheld many lands, and each land was called earth, and there were inhabitants on the face thereof. And it came to pass that Moses called upon the Creator, saying, Tell me, I pray thee, why these things are so, and by what thou madest them. And behold, the glory of Elohim was upon Moses, so that Moses stood in the presence of Elohim, and he talked with the Creator face to face. And the Lord Elohim said unto Moses, For mine own purpose have I made these things, here is wisdom, and it remaineth in me. And by the word of my power have I created them, which is the Yachad Yashid Echad, who is full of grace and truth. And worlds without number have I created, and I also created them for mine own purpose, and by the Yachad I created them, and the first of all humans have I called Adam, which is to say mankind. But only an account of this earth and the inhabitants thereof give I unto you, for behold, there are many worlds which have passed away by the word of my power. And there are many also which now stand, and numberless are they unto mankind, but all things are numbered unto me, for they are mine, and I know them. And it came to pass that Moses spoke unto the Creator, saying, Be merciful unto thy servant, O Creator, and tell me concerning this earth, and the inhabitants thereof, and also the heavens, and then thy servant will be content. And the Lord Elohim spoke unto Moses, saying, The heavens, they are many, and innumerable unto mankind, but they are numbered unto me, for they are mine. And as one earth shall pass away, and the heavens thereof, even so shall another come, and there is no end to my works, neither to my words. For this is my work and my glory, to bring to pass the immortality and eternal life of mankind. And now, Moses, might Sardik Yachad, I will speak unto you concerning this earth upon which you stand, and you shall write the things which I shall speak. And in a day when the children of man shall esteem my words as naught, and take many of them from the book which you shall write, behold, I will raise up another like unto you, and my word shall be had again among the children of man, among even as many as shall believe.